Okay, today we are gonna be showing you that we moved the trampoline and it looks really good now. And it's really bouncy and way funner now. And we get less exercise now, but still pretty good. Okay, so here's a trampoline, and there's Sando, his old dog, and then there's a house. Here, get a bit closer so you can see it better. Yeah, so there's a house, and there's this tree house. Here. There's the way. Maybe a little bit over. But yeah, it's a bit over. And so okay, yeah, so we're gonna be showing you the tree house, and yeah, so there's Cindo again, and he's really cute of a puppy, and there's his eyes, she looks really cute, and there's a house so that you can see the full house, and then there's my little brother, look. And then here's my bike, which it's pretty cool. And so here's my little staff, but it's not too cool. Well, it actually is my little brother's Kaden. And oh yeah, here's my brother Mike. Wait, it turned off. I was trying to do a really good video.
Benji, how much would you buy these for if they still work? Inside they're a lot better.
Well, my friend record videos.
Who said you could mess with that camera?
So you have to go away. Okay, so here's me again. The camera, the GoPro turned off, and here's Cindo again, just if you didn't see him. And then
Wait, Benji.
here's Mike and me, for the bros. And now here's the trampoline again. It moved to there, to here,